Before this video begins, the first part of this video was planned, and the rest of it was just clips that I got throughout the week and the weekends. So yeah, I hope y'all boys enjoy. It's me and bihFrostyy. Peace.
I put pill, hustling, pay the bill, that shit was sad as hell. Young nigga in these streets, I ain't have no love, but I always had a skill. I remember my dog died ever since that night, I just been mad as hell. Now I done seen some murder and I can't lie, let me shell the hell. My brother about dumb in hell, he caught that body, now he gon' die in jail. Can't shit get in my head, I still don't on
Yo, we here, driving my sister's Jeep. We're going to get new rims today. I just dropped off Dalton, we just got done with work. But yeah, I'm going to Christian's and we're gonna go get them. We out here. But yeah, we're about to get the wheels. And yeah, whenever the guy pulls up, I'll pick y'all back up. Yep, don't mind the tires, because they're very, very baller. Yep. We in the slide rig. You see it? Yep. Got them strapped down. About to get us some food and then head back to the crib. We in the cut, you know.
Stay blessing. So broke, I remember my girlfriend's birthday came in, had me stressing.
We made it back.
Oh.
Very. But as y'all see, I kinda fuck with them. With Preston. Hello.
That been long. A lot leftover.
So, our friend Jaden's Tahoe is ours today. About to go riding. What you gotta say to Jaden if she were to watch this? Because they do watch my videos.
Fuck her.
About to head out.
Yeah, I'm clutching the blade, the way I let my gun rip. I was just some pissy man.
First fill up. About to put some gas in the Tahoe and the four-wheeler. We out here.
Feel bad for that toilet.
We have made it.
Shut your wine ass up.
2.4 miles.
Fucking road's
of
long
a
as
straight
shit.
dirt road. Jill, we out here. I think he's enjoying his truck again, as y'all see. On vinyl on there. Yep. Got the... It's been a minute since we've been in the slide rig. You know, he got the 15. Is it hooked up?
Yeah.
Flip the switch for the lights, man. Hell yeah. He got that installed too. That boy did it all himself. All of this. Hands, this, the handles, outline. That's some tough shit, man. That man is leaning. Hey. Hey. Leaning. You see it? Turn on your wheel lights. There we go.